That's my mom and our friend, bro. Blair's mother, our friend. See this Christmas tree? Yeah. I say this is where Santa Claus stays to take a picture with him. Yeah. Look like snow, but they like cotton. Man, snow out of them. Yeah. Off in the Rainforest Cafe. Another elephant over here. Yeah. In the Rainforest Cafe now, guys. And about to eat. And when our food comes, I'm gonna film dinner. We'll go ahead and... Oh, let me see some.
I'm gonna show them this. Look.
Yeah. Let me film that with my video. This is good. Look, shooting stars. You like it, guys? Yeah. Moving stars, everything.